guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, I have some exciting things to share with you guys. Today, we're going to be doing a boho inspired wedding slash baby shower slash graduation slash event or party event decor haul. Okay, did you guys get all of that? I know it was a mouthful. So basically, we're going to be doing a haul that is boho themed, that can be used for a wedding, baby shower, birthday party, girls picnic, bridal shower, any of those things. We're going to be hauling some amazing things that I have found at Hobby Lobby, Amazon, Dollar Tree, and the like. So if you guys love all things event planning and you love boho chic and this whole boho theme, pampas grass, organic, natural, neutral look, then stay tuned. Okay, unless you have been hiding under a rock, Hobby Lobby has been marking down their home decor items and they are currently 75% off. Now it does get better. It goes from 75 to 90, I do believe. But here's the catch. Some of the things that you may want may not be there, and 75% off is not bad, okay? So the beginning of this boho chic haul was inspired by this glassware that I found at Hobby Lobby. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a brownish color. I love the shape on it. It is perfect for that theme. I purchased 2 of these, and I'm going to be adding some beautiful dried palm leaves and pampas grass and things like that in it, and I think it would be perfect for like a bridal picnic or your tablescape at home or anything like that. So if I want 4 of these, I only was able to find 2, but I just think the shape is so unique and it would be perfect for that boho theme. And it was only $7.49, and I just thought it was perfect. The next thing that I picked up at Hobby Lobby was this wooden candle holder, and it says celebrate on it, which I thought was really appropriate. But if you don't like that font, you could easily turn it to this side and not really, you know, display this side, or you could paint it, stain it another color if you'd like. I'm personally probably going to leave it this color, but if you wanted to go lighter with more of a neutral color, you could. I saw these on Etsy at first and they were kind of expensive, you guys. They were a little pricey. When I saw this at Hobby Lobby, I knew I wanted it. It was only $6.24. The original price was $24.99, and I did test out some candles in the store because I just wanted to see how well the candles would fit in. And these are some boho candles that I got from Hobby Lobby. You guys, I don't know if I showed you this boho event. I did yet, but I used these kind for that event. They do have different shades like of brown, and I just absolutely love these candles. Oh, I love them. And so I'm going to show you guys kind of, you know, what that looks like. And you can use candle fitters in it as well if you're not comfortable, but I just think this will look so good on a boho chic themed table, going down the table, and the beautiful centerpiece in the middle, and having like 2 of these on a rectangular table. I just think it would be absolutely gorgeous. And you guys let me know what you think. Just imagine, and I would probably do varying heights. I'm just using candles that I have at home, but if you could do like tall, short, I think it would just add so much more interest to the piece. And yeah, so this is just what I have at home. So we'll just pop a few in here and here, but you guys get my drift. And I just think this is so gorgeous. And just imagine that on a table, on a centerpiece next to this boho chic piece here. Just imagine like this being on the left side, the centerpiece in the middle, and then one of these on the right. Y'all, it would be popping, 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 popping. Okay, speaking of popping. Another piece that I found is this unique shaped vase, kind of shaped like an arc, which is a very popular shape right now. It also is that same color, blends very well with this, and it was only $49. And again, you can put some beautiful centerpieces in it. I got this from Hobby Lobby as well. I'm going to show you guys all the Hobby Lobby stuff up front, and then we'll move on to some other pieces. Okay, you guys, so next up is this crayon organizer, and it says create. I thought this would be really cute if you did like a little girls party that was that boho theme, or like an outdoor picnic, or you could paint it any color you want and use your Cricut to put whatever, you know, font you want it on this side, even if you want it font at all. I will probably be painting this one more of a blush pink, but I did love it because look, and this would be great for a teacher. Like if you're a teacher, this would be great for, you know, placing in the art center in your classroom or anything like that. Very deep for crayons. So this is my hand, and this is how deep it is. I absolutely love this. When I was at Five Below, I know I said I was going to only cover stuff from Hobby Lobby, but when I was at Five Below, you guys, I saw these 24 skin tone crayons, and they were just $1. So pretty. And I was just like, just imagine like a blush nude color event with all of these gorgeous, oh my god, these crayons are so gorgeous. So here are the crayons. They're all different shades, and I just think these are perfect for coloring people, and they would be perfect for a party. So just, I got these and just putting them all inside. These are just gorgeous. This case was only $12.49, and again, I thought this would be great for a classroom or anything creative like that. So I got several packs, and I'm going to be using that in a birthday party this summer. Okay, you guys, so that concludes all of the items that I picked up at the Hobby Lobby clearance sale. There are so many items. If they don't have, like, because it's been freshly marked down, so if they don't have that clearance area dedicated in your store already, be sure to visit like every department in the store, because there are red stickers all throughout the store. Amazing, amazing deals. Okay, all right, so in my live I showed you guys these boho themed items that I picked up, and I just think they would be so cute for a bridal shower gift or a little girl's birthday party. But the first thing is this cute little jelly bag. You can use your Cricut to monogram like your name or whatever onto the bag. I think it is so super cute. And then they also have these cute little robes on Amazon. I do love the fact that they're like, they have lace on the end. You can also use your Cricut to monogram it, and it's that beautiful, like between a blush and a maybe a taupey color, really nude and gorgeous, and it fits really well right down into this little jelly bag. So super cute. You can find these on Amazon. I'll link that live down below. You can also do these little cute palm leaf fans. These would be great for just an accent, especially if you're outside. Be really, really cute. But you can also slide this into the basket. All you have to do is like find one of these on Google, cut it out, and then laminate it. And then these cute little tumblers you can make on your Cricut as well and place it into your basket. Really, really super cute. And then I found this one, this little book. It says create in me a clean heart. It's a journal, and I found it at the Dollar Tree. It's cute in here as well, and you can just create like this whole little gift basket situation.
Oh no, I gave my heart away, went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice.
haul, be sure to check out the Amazon live video that I'm going to link down below. And in that video, I share with you guys things that I use for party planning. So basically it's my event planning and entertaining essentials in that video. So definitely check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in me being your coach, I will leave a link to Luxe Academy down in the description box below. We have so many summer classes coming up, July the 28th through the 30th. We have August the 27th through the 26th, 27th, and 28th. And then in June, I'm going to be doing an instructor-led Luxe Academy online. So basically, that is our summer school schedule. Again, that June, I'm going to be doing an instructor-led Luxe Academy live. You'll be with me live once a week, and you'll be given assignments throughout the week. In July, we have an in-person class, July the 28th through the 30th. And in August, we have a double header, meaning we have a birthday party and a wedding in the same weekend. So you'll be getting two for the price of one, and that is going to be in August. So I will leave the link to Luxe Academy down below along with the schedule. If you guys are interested in me being your coach, especially if you've learned a lot from me here, you know I'm teaching that much more in Luxe Academy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!